Hello friends, in this video we will see nominative case and accusative case. Now in German there are cases. For example, nominative case, accusative case, dative case and genitive case. So let's first see the nominative case. German uses nominative case if the noun is subject in a sentence, a person or thing doing the action. The role of the subject is just to conjugate the verb. The role of subject is to just conjugate the verb. It means that the subject is nominative. For example, das ist eine Kuli. Das ist eine Kuli. Ist Sachin. Sie ist Shreya. Meine Eltern kommen morgen. Ulkit fahrt sehr schnell. So, in this example, if we see, das ist eine Kuli. Ist Sachin. Means, we are talking about only subject. We are talking about only subject. For example, das ist eine Kuli. Das ist eine Kuli. For what we are talking? We are talking about the Kuli. So Kuli is das. Das ist eine Kuli. So second example, is Sachin. He is Sachin. So what we are talking about? When we are talking about the subject only, that case is called as a nominative case. Okay? Sie ist Shreya. Meine Eltern kommen morgen. Ulkit fahrt sehr schnell. Okay? Sie ist Shreya. We are talking about here subject. Sie means Shreya. So sie ist Shreya. She is Shreya. So we are talking about only subject. So this case is called as a nominative case. Now see, the nominative case after sein and were done. Note that you also use the nominative after sein to be and were done to become. Ist ein interesting man. Ist ein interesting man. He is interesting man. Es wurde ein schöner Tag. Is engineer. Sie wurde Lehrerin. She is going to become a teacher. Okay? Nominative case. Articles. Bestimmte article, certain. In masculine, there. Neuter, das. Feminine, die. Plural, die. Unbestimmt article. Unbestimmt article, that is uncertain article. For masculine, ein. For neuter, ein. For feminine, eine. And for plural, there is no article. Article, negation. Negative article. For masculine, kein. For neuter, kein. For feminine, keine. For plural, keine. Okay. So in nominative case, if you see there, das, die, ein, eine, kein, keine. Okay. Now, the accusative case. Now, what is accusative case? Accusative case is a direct object of the sentence. Okay. Whenever we construct the sentence carry with the three things: subject, verb and object. Okay. Object have two types: direct object and indirect object. Here in this case we will see regarding the direct object. Means accusative case is a direct object of the sentence. The direct object of the sentence receive the action of the verb. In order to identify the direct object in the sentence, ask the question with what. If suppose you want to ask, if you can ask the question with what, and whatever answer you will get, that is the direct object. Okay. So German normally uses the accusative case when the noun is a direct object. In German, German normally uses the accusative case when the noun is direct object. That is the receiver of the action, the sentence. Der Mann kauft den Computer. Der Mann kauft den Computer. Now see, if you see the table again for the bestimmt article and unbestimmt article, before that, once again I will explain you what is accusative case. Okay. Every time we construct the sentence with the subject, verb and object. Okay. When there is a direct object in the sentence, that time that case is called as an accusative case. Huh? Remember, when we construct the sentence and when you can ask the question with the what, whatever answer you will get, that time that case is called as a accusative case. Accusative case is a direct object of the sentence. The direct object of the sentence receive the action of the verb. In order to identify the direct object in the sentence, ask the question with what. German normally uses accusative cases when noun is direct object. That is receiver of the action, the sentence. Okay. Der Mann kauft den Computer. Now see how we have to use the article in accusative case. In bestimmt article, certain, masculine, then, noun, das, feminine, die, plural, die. Unbestimmt article, uncertain article, masculine, ein, neutral, ein, masculine, einen, neuter, ein, feminine, ein, plural, nothing. For negation, keinen, kein, keiner, kein. Example of the accusative. Er gives the Bleistift. He gives the pencil. Er kauft eine Heft. He buy an exercise book. Er öffnet die Tür. He opens the door. Erika gives das Geld. Erika gives the money. Die Frau bringt die Zeitung. The lady bring the newspaper. If you see all this sentence, you can ask question with the what. Okay. Er gives then Bleistift. He give the pencil. Who has given the pencil? He gives the pencil. Er kauft eine Heft. He buys an exercise book. What he buys? He buys an exercise book. So when you can ask question with the what, that case is called as a accusative case. Okay. See the example, bestimmt article, nominative and accusative. Now what is the difference between nominative case and accusative case? See, when the noun is masculine, then their article we have to use. See here in nominative case, here is there a brief in masculine, here is there a brief, that there become then in accusative. There become then in accusative. See here, then. Ich suche den Brief. Night room. Here is das Telefon. Ich suche das Telefon. If you see the changes in nominative only, the article will change. There becomes then. Remain all are same. Das Telefon, die Tasche, the brief, is suche the brief. So only when change will happen only when the noun is masculine. This thing you have to keep in mind. Is it clear? Okay. Thank you.